Look at that. Just wow. Seriously. Battle Royale. Let's watch this trailer, guys. Let's watch this trailer. This is good. This is a... There's Thor. There's a banana. There's a raven. Yeah, guys. Let's see a new background for the lava. Okay, let me go to the item shop. Let's see what's new. That did not just happen. Dude, I'm gonna be buying a battle pass soon. Not this video, but let's just look at it. Okay, I'll get you guys one about the battle pass. Okay, so tier 1, we got Thor. What's this? Okay. Okay, we got this. We got this. You know, I ain't doing a battle pass reaction video. I'm just happy that it's out. And new modes. Yeah, cars are a thing now, I forgot. Okay, so this season is sick. Let's see what it's like playing a match, I guess. So let's go to solos. So I'll be buying a battle pass soon. Not now. 200 V-Bucks, we're gonna buy. Okay, I can buy something in the item shop. I'll get you guys while I'm in the bus. Wow, this is sick. This is sick. This is solos, okay, 10, 9. The map looks... I'm lagging. Okay, I'm gonna thank the bus driver. The heck are those? Is that a vehicle? I think that's a vehicle. And I think there's also a boss there. That's what people are saying to me. That there's a boss there. And I swear, if this is a new vehicle, I'm gonna be happy. Why am I lagging? Are these marauders? Yeah, I'm gonna get... What? Okay, I'm lagging so bad. This is... Okay. So, since it's lagging so bad, I kind of just want to end the video. I know the video was lame. And it was the shortest video I ever made. I should have reacted to something. Well, catch you guys in the next video. Bye.